everybody's process is gonna look different. We're very fortunate that we've stuck with Honorable for 13 years and it didn't turn into another brand. This is the stage where you're able to kind of put together like the framework and the structure of your company. More so like, what does this feel like? What does it sound like? What does it smell like? You know, aesthetically, how does this need to be presented, right? That's all wrapped up in your brand ethos. Things that was helpful for me is figuring out like, all right, how much is it gonna cost to produce the first, second, and third idea? Who is your audience? How much money are you gonna spend to actually get in front of that audience? Even the relationships that we build, like a lot, that stuff is marketing. When I go out and I meet people and I'm engaging in communities, like we're creating opportunities where actual marketing work can happen. Your journey in how you move your product, it should be fluid, right? Because once you figure out something doesn't work, you need to quickly be able to pivot and say, all right, boom, this is how we're gonna reconcile that.